I was really interested in learning more about Latvia, and I was searching for the sources.
My friend referred me here about integration of Latvia studies and course, culture and all.
When we come to another country, we need to learn more about it.
I thought it will be interesting and just to get some knowledge and basic idea about Latvia.
So in the first class, it made us understand it is something which is useful.
Procedures, how can we start if we are interested to start a business or something, how this procedures and all.
It's often come about here about the differences between the people, racism and all.
About the medical sector and all, they were informing about us, how it works and about the regulations.
If you want to start a business, where and which department you need to approach.
Something like really happening thing when we go for the clay class, I really enjoyed it.
When people are more talking, then we can integrate with you easily.
One of the lawyers came in and they gave the brief explanation about the different departments.